بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Click on the link below for the online test. What was written on the Holy Prophet peace be upon him seal?
الله رسول محمد.
Which was the first capital of Islamic Commonwealth?
مدينة.
Who called al-Mu'mineen? The holy wives of the Holy Prophet peace be upon him. Name the wife of the Holy Prophet peace be upon him who was titled as al-Masakin. Hazrat Zainab Razi Allah Ta'ala Anha. What was the title of Hazrat Aisha Razi Allah Ta'ala Anha? Siddiqa. Which al-Mu'mineen died last?
हज़रत में सलमा रज़ी अल्लाह ताला अन्हा.
What is the meaning of Aqidah? Belief. What is the meaning of Imani Mujmal? The belief in brief. What is the meaning of Imani Mufassal? The belief in detail. How many essential beliefs are there in Imani Mufassal? 7. What is the first belief in Imani Mufassal? No deity except Allah.